So this is Groves Creek, and it is just south of Woss. That's looking north. Like all the bridges on Englewood, they were redone in the last, I'll say, 20 years by modular bridge systems from Duncan. So they all have a very similar design above and below. They all have the walking deck on the right hand side, and they all have the same kind of steel support towers. Uniformity makes sense. From my reading, these are all third generation bridges. First generation was wooden trestles. Second generation was glulam beam bridges. And this modular bridge system design with the deck plate girders and steel towers is generation 3. Thank you, Sandy Macham and Maynard Atkinson, for making that clear in your book. It's a rainy December 31st here. So I have the umbrella over top of the camera. This looked to be an interesting bridge in terms of height, the creek, which is really nice and loud, and so I wanted to photograph it. Also, it's just easy to get to. A couple different gravel roads from the village of Woss gets me right beside the bridge. That's looking west. No mountains in sight today. We'll see the water in a few moments. There's a retaining wall ahead, so I'm going to walk down to that. Likely indicates a pretty good drop off on one side, cliff side on this approach. Steel ties throughout. And up ahead we have some rock fall. There's the drop-off, filled with vegetation. One thing about Englewood that I've noticed in my walking yesterday and today is they have fabulous ballast on their grade, which is what they use as a way of keeping the vegetation away from the grade. There's just so much ballast. It's just hard for me to like walk up from beside up to the grade because of all the ballast. But it's not about me. Let's take a look off the southeast side. Should have a nice view here of the towers. as I carefully walk down the ballast. Oh yeah, this is nice. That's where I've just come from. Oh yeah. Okay, let's walk across it. There's Groves Creek. There's where Groves Creek flows into a river, and that river is flowing into Nimkish Lake, I presume. I'm right above the big tower now. There is the big tower. Two sides to it. This is a nice, simple bridge. Just shows the efficiency of the system that they had of designing and constructing it. And too bad it's not going to be used anymore by trains. So looking north here, this main line continues just for a few hundred meters, and then there's a junction by Englewood Drive for the spur that goes up to the Woss Reload.